Alright guys, welcome to Gedu. In this video we brought to you Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 battery replacement. Carefully apply the heat around the phone back cover. You can use hair dryer, heat gun, heat mat. Don't overheat it. Make sure it's hot enough that you can even touch it. Once it is heated enough, use a suction pry tool to lift up the back cover. Work around to cut through the back adhesive in between the back cover and the body. You can use a pry tool. We are using a plastic card. No matter what you use, don't insert it too much in. Just work around the edges. Once you cut through, please make sure that you tilt the back cover up a little bit and don't go too hard because there is a flex cable attached to it. Carefully disconnect the flex cable and remove your back cover. After that, unscrew all the screws on the back shield for the motherboard, as you can see in the video. Once you have removed all the screws, you can lift up the shield via tweezer. Make sure where you find some space, try to lift it up from there, otherwise you will simply gonna scratch or damage something. Don't press too hard, just carefully lift it. Use your plastic spudger tool to disconnect all the connectors. Since this is the same phone we have used in the water test, so we are just drying up whatever water is there. Disconnect the battery and disconnect both main flex cables from top of the battery and get them out of the way. After that, try to lift up the adhesive which is under the battery. Once you got the grip on it, stretch it slowly and steady, easily. Keep stretching it. Don't go too hard or don't jerk it. It can break and then it will become a lot of trouble to remove the battery and you might damage it also. So carefully stretch, go easy on it. Our video is a little bit fast, so it looks it's going fast, but you take your time. Once this adhesive comes out, the battery is easily out. Okay, so just use the same method backwards. Put the adhesive tapes, the new one, double-sided tape, or you can use a glue. We recommend B7000. We are using this one because in future, if you want to remove the battery, this is the best practice you can do. You can stretch these strips back again. They are there for the heat also. Carefully put the battery back in, make sure it is sitting properly before you press it. Once it sits properly, just press on the battery, get it attached with the body. Make sure everything is fine. Start connecting all the connectors back. In this case, you just remove 3, so put them back. And then put the shield back on. Make sure you put all the screws. First try to adjust it nicely. Make sure all the clips are inside and it is sitting properly before you start screwing them. Once you make sure that it's done, the clips are on their place, you can start putting the screws back. Once all the screws are back, use a double-sided tape or a glue to put your back cover back on. and your job is done. We hope you like the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe and comment. See you guys all soon. Thank you. Bye.